Today's video is going to be very important for the aspirant because I'm going to give you some tips which is very important, which I used in my preparation journey, which is making short notes. If you are forgetting something very often, then it is going to be very useful for you. You can summarize all those points which are very important or you forgot often. So here I use sticky notes because it is easy to stick on wall. So it's depend on you. You can use either sticky notes or simple paper. So here I make short notes of biology, chemistry or physics which I feel that it is important. So I summarize all those points in these notes which help me a lot to learn the things which I forgot very often. So yeah, trust me guys, it is going to be very important for you.